In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best stand mixer in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which stand mixer is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Dobby Tilt Head Kitchen Mixer. 660-watt powerful electric motor and 7 speeds optional. Our mixers has actually furnished with a 660-watt powerful motor and also 6 rates plus pulse feature, which gives more alternatives for your mixing from a slow stir to quick mix by transforming the knob. 1 to 3 speed is suitable for kneading the dough, 2 to 4 rate for blending pancake or salad. 5 to 6 speed for light whipping cream or egg white. Updated combining system and 9.5 quarts ability, expertly designed with planetary mixing system, which can even blend the active ingredients in the dish with low sound. 9.5 quart stainless steel blending dish is huge enough to meet the daily use of the family, which can approximately 10 individuals deal with. On the bowl is more durable and hassle-free for you to take. Turn head and anti-slip style. The tilt head layout assists the cooking area electrical stand mixer to lift its head smoothly. Meanwhile, it will instantly remove the power while checking the standing of the food in the dish, effectively avoiding you from being hurt by the quickly gliding head or mistakenly touched. Here is the item number 4, VIVOHOME Electric Stand Mixer. Effective electric motor, high performance 650-watt motor, ends up massaging and also blending more quickly and extensively than human hands. Useful 6-speed control with the pulse function for all your food tasks or dish preparation demands. Sturdy and safe dish, food grade stainless steel dish with great polish, resilient and risk-free. Make sure the health and wellness of you and your household. Large 6 QD capacity satisfies regular kitchen area needs as well as conveniently makes cakes, bread, cookies, salad dressing, etc. Attachment collection comes with 3 multi-purpose devices. Lightweight aluminum dough hook, stainless steel wire whisk as well as aluminum mixing beater. Various tool device matches different kitchen area requirements, such as making dough, biscuits, bread, muffins, waffles, and so on. Tilt head shield. The tilt head layout makes dish and add-ons very easy to set up and removable, able to translucent the cover, permit process monitoring or water checking, pour water, milk, or various other fluid active ingredient anytime through the hole on splash shield. Excellent gift idea. The multifunctional stand mixer looks excellent in the kitchen area as well as will be welcomed by your good friends, enjoyed ones as well as household as a housewarming present or for wedding celebrations, Christmas, wedding anniversaries or birthday celebrations. Comfortably saves time to function as an excellent kitchen area helper for those that like cooking. The item number 3, CUSIMAX Tilt Head Electric Mixer. Powerful electric motor, let baking easily. Stand mixer with a solid electric motor as well as durable abdominal housing, 3 different rates from slow-moving stir to rapid mix, make it easy for cakes, bread, cookies, pizza, muffins, waffle, mashed potatoes as well as even more. Sufficient capacity. This mixer comes with a 5 QD large stainless steel dish that can use enough capacity for family members. The splash guard with gain access to port assists includes active ingredients without making a mess, permitting you to prepare at terrific convenience. Enjoy preparing homemade meals. Multiple accessory. CUSIMAX stand mixer includes 3 blending accessories, blend, dough hook, and mixing beater, which is quickly protected to the shaft, including mixing convenience to cooking. Planetary procedure rotates the beaters around the 5-quart stainless steel bowl for the even blending. Tilt head layout. The tilt head style electric mixer permits accessibility to mount or uninstall bowls and devices quickly. Anti-slip silicone suction cups keep the mixer steady. CUSIMAX 5-quart electric food stand mixer is made for hands-free mixing for a wide array of foods varying from light egg whites to sticky bread dough. Featuring an effective motor, our kitchen mixer is fantastic for all mixing demands, helping you bake or prepare freely and conveniently. Non-slip suction feet and warm dissipation design on base for secure use. Number 2 in our list, Cuisinart Precision Pro Digital. Superior function, supplying power, precision, as well as performance. Our stand mixer includes a 5.5 quart capability with a 500-watt motor, die-cast steel building, and 12 speeds that allow for nuance and excellence in doing a range of prep work jobs. Must-have features: refined stainless steel dish, tilt-back head, and one power outlet for optional accessories. Included: chef's whisk, dough hook, level mixing paddle, and also splash guard with a put spout. Likewise included is a user's manual and also dish publication. Optional accessories as well as shades, pasta extruder, pasta roller, as well as cutters, gelato maker, meat grinder, as well as spiralizer. All shades available in positive side, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, white linen, and also robin's egg. Cuisinart is changing the means the globe mixes. This remarkable brand new stand mixer supplies more power, more capacity, as well as a lot more choices, as well as it features the very best name in the business. 12 speeds for precision mixing. 12 speeds lets you go from ultra gentle fold to strongly fast whip in seconds. The top one in our list, Aucma stand electric mixer. Powerful electric motor and also variable rate control, 660-watt high-performance pure copper motor, and also strong ABS housing. 6 optimized speeds with pulse feature, accessibility to multi-purpose, and also a variety of recipes. Much more powerful motor but reduced procedure noise, less than or equal to 76 dB. 6.5 QT big capability bowl with handles. 6.5 QT stainless steel bowl can fulfill all your cooking area requirements. The stand mixer is easy to use for making cakes, bread, cookies, pastry, muffins, as well as waffles, as well as the double manages are more convenient to hold. Turn head and also outdoors design. The tilt head style mixer enables accessibility to mount or uninstall dishes and devices conveniently. The kitchen area mixer has a stainless steel design belt and also a blue LED light as a power sign. The red real estate with 2-layer painting makes it look a lot more beaming and attractive in your cooking area. Multiple add-on set. Aucma stand mixer comes with 3 blending accessories: whisk, dough hook, blending beater. The splash guard with access hatch assists adds active ingredients without making a mess. Aucma electric food stand mixer is created for hands-free mixing for a wide array of foods varying from light and airy egg whites to sticky bread dough. A powerful 660-watt electric motor is fantastic for daily blending and can even manage the thickest cookie dough. 6-speed mixer for all your food preparation requirements. Make sure excellent mixing results every single time. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best stand mixer amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.